How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can create actions in Photoshop. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to Windows, click Actions, and then this window will show up. Now, what an action is, it will basically record everything that you have done on a specific image or a specific element right here. So to get started, the first thing that you want to do is to just create a new folder. In this one, we'll just name it test. Click on OK, and then it will open up right here. Now in this way, all of the actions that we have made will be recorded onto the test folder. Now let's go ahead and add a file, and with this one, I'll just simply name it default action 1. And then if you click on record, it will actually record all of the actions that you will apply onto the image right here. So if you do something like filters, and let's do something like blur filter onto the image itself, basically this will then record it onto the action tab right here. Now let's do another one, but with this one, let's do something like sharpen, and then let's sharpen the image itself. And of course, it will then simply show up right here. Now, after recording or after adjusting the image the way you want to, you can just click on the stop button right here. And then all of the actions that you have made onto this particular element will then be recorded. And so let's apply the same settings that we have made onto this second image, which is basically the same one, but on a different tab. In here, you can just click on the play button, and then it will apply all of the actions that we have recorded onto the selective file. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.